The passive income ideas discussed in this video can make you rich, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. Envision your funds maximizing their potential while remaining in your bank account. High-yield savings accounts provide attractive benefits. They provide a secure option for generating higher interest compared to conventional savings accounts. Although the returns may not match those of other investment options, these accounts serve as an excellent choice for safeguarding your emergency fund as well as short-term savings. It's wise to explore different options for the best rates, as there can be considerable differences among various financial institutions. Additionally, keep in mind that interest rates may vary over time, making it wise to regularly assess your account's performance. Generally considered to have a low-risk profile and straightforward to establish. Returns may be less favorable when compared to alternative investment opportunities. Number 2. Income-generating stocks. Numerous well-established firms distribute a segment of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis, usually every quarter. Investing in dividend stocks allows you to hold a stake in a thriving company that distributes a portion of its earnings back to you. Although stock values may fluctuate, dividends can offer a reliable source of income. It's important to keep in mind that dividends are not guaranteed. It may be beneficial to concentrate on companies known as dividend aristocrats, which are those that have reliably raised their dividends for a minimum of 25 consecutive years. Offers the opportunity for consistent income alongside the possibility of increasing your capital. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more passive income ideas. Number 3. Investment vehicles, index funds, and ETFs. Consider index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, as collections of stocks or bonds. They monitor a market index, providing you with immediate diversification benefits. Mutual funds present an excellent opportunity for diversification, allowing you to invest across a range of assets while mitigating risk. Mutual funds provide the advantage of automatic diversification, allowing you to distribute your risk across various companies or sectors effectively. They generally offer greater tax efficiency compared to actively managed funds, potentially enhancing your returns in the long run. Immediate diversification along with generally reduced costs. Investment outcomes are closely linked to market dynamics, which can exhibit significant fluctuations. Number 4. Investment in rental properties. Investing in real estate by purchasing a property to rent out allows you to generate a steady stream of monthly income from tenants, in addition to the potential for property value appreciation over the long term. While owning rental property can provide income, it's important to recognize that it requires some quantity of active involvement. You'll be responsible for maintenance, tenant acquisition, and managing any periods of vacancy. However, the consistent income flow can justify the investment of your time and resources. It may be beneficial to begin your journey in real estate investing with a single-family home or a small multi-unit property to gain valuable experience. It is important to recognize that renting out properties may not always be considered a source of passive income. Based on the amount of time you invest in managing the property, these activities would be classified as active participation, which would prevent your income from being categorized as passive. There is an opportunity for consistent income generation and an increase in property value over time. Involves a considerable initial commitment and continuous oversight. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an opportunity for you to extend financial support to individuals or small businesses via online channels. By taking this approach, you will generate income from the interest that is paid to you. This approach allows you to enhance your investment strategy while also contributing to the success of others in reaching their objectives. It is important to consider the potential risk of borrowers defaulting on their loans. To manage risk effectively, it's advisable to spread your loans among various borrowers and invest only what you can comfortably afford to lose. May provide greater returns compared to conventional savings accounts. Number 6. Develop and market an online course. If you possess expertise in a particular area, consider leveraging that knowledge to generate income. Developing an online course allows you to consolidate your expertise into a marketable asset that can generate ongoing revenue. Regardless of whether your expertise lies in cooking, coding, or creative writing, there is undoubtedly a market ready to benefit from your knowledge. The initial time commitment may be considerable, yet it has the potential to yield returns for many years ahead. Regularly revising your course content in response to student feedback is essential for ensuring its ongoing relevance and attractiveness. Utilize your skills to establish a continuous revenue stream. It demands a considerable initial commitment of time along with ongoing updates. Number 7. Consider creating an ebook. Ebooks can serve as an excellent avenue for transforming knowledge into financial gain. Self-publishing platforms have streamlined the process, making it more accessible to bring your book to market. After your text is completed and made available, you have the potential to receive royalties each time a copy is downloaded. It may be beneficial to explore audio versions of your ebooks to capitalize on the expanding audiobook market. There is an opportunity for sustained income over time with limited continuous involvement. In a competitive market, it is essential to leverage effective marketing strategies to differentiate yourself and gain an advantage. Number 8. Partnership marketing. Collaborating with businesses and endorsing their offerings allows you to receive a commission for every sale generated through your personalized link. There are several avenues to achieve this, such as a blog, a YouTube channel, or leveraging social media platforms. It is essential to cultivate a reliable audience and to endorse only those products that you truly have confidence in. It may be beneficial to concentrate on a particular niche to establish yourself as an expert in that field, potentially resulting in improved conversion rates. It is important to understand that affiliate marketing is distinct from multi-level marketing, which can sometimes be misleading. You have the opportunity to earn commissions without the need to develop your own products. Income may fluctuate and is often influenced by the offerings of others. Number 9. Consider renting out a room as a strategy to optimize your living expenses. Are you in possession of an additional room that is currently unoccupied? Consider utilizing it effectively. Leasing a section of your residence can provide financial relief on your mortgage or generate additional revenue. This approach, referred to as house hacking, can be especially beneficial for military families who may experience frequent deployments or relocations. Consider exploring short-term rentals via various platforms if you seek greater flexibility or the opportunity for increased earnings. This approach provides an excellent opportunity to begin your journey in real estate investing. Can help manage mortgage or living expenses, but there might be decreased privacy and possible concerns with tenants. Number 10. Consider leasing your additional parking space. If you possess an unused parking space or an empty garage, it may be beneficial to explore the option of renting that space out. This presents a valuable opportunity to generate income, particularly in locations where there is a significant demand for parking, like urban environments. Investing in rental space has the potential to yield significant returns. However, your overall profitability will be closely tied to the demand within your local market. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know how you could get rich secretly. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 10,000 subscribers goal.